Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to access the quick setting menu, and all you need to do is to drag it down, and here you will find the option screen recorder. So once you tap on it, this menu will pop up which say record sound, none, media, and mic. So you can select that one. All you need to do is to start the recording option. Just tap on it and the recording will be started. So once you tap on the recording, there will be a timer. After the timer, the recording will be started, and you will find an option right here. You will find these options. So there is the edit option, like a pencil. If you tap on it, you can change the color from here as well. Suppose I will make it yellow, and then you can draw something or maybe point out something. So now whatever you're doing, like you're opening, so once you're done with this one, you off that one. Now if you want to open any of the application, you want to text, you want to play a video or anything, the recording will still be going on. But if you want to mention something, you can use the pencil as well. Now the next cool thing about this screen recorder here is that if you tap on this icon right here, so it will open the front camera right here. As you can see, it will open the selfie camera, and you can record your face while you're screen recording something. If you want to turn it off, all you need to do is to tap it again and it will turn off. Now if you want to do something important and you don't want to record that part, so or personal maybe, all you need to do is to tap on the pause option here, and the recording will be paused. So again, you need to just tap it again and the recording will be started. Now if you want to close the screen recording, you want to just finish with it and just tap on this option, and your recording will be saved to the gallery. Now I will go to the gallery, and in the gallery you will find it right here. So you need to just play that one. As you can see, this is the screen recording that I just did. You will find the video right in the gallery. So guys, this is all it takes to screen record on Samsung S25 Ultra. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.